Hey guys, today we will learn how to use function in PHP. Let's start. This is static basic PHP function. Let's run the code. Nothing shown because function is already created but not called yet. We have to call the function. Let's run again. Message shown properly. Next, we will pass a parameter in the same function for reusing multiple times. Breaking tag for new line. Let's run the code. Message properly showing. Here use the same function but three different parameters I have used. Let's run. The message showing properly. A function is one but using multiple times. We will pass more than one parameter in a function. Let's run the code showing the name and age. Okay, the function is working. Now we will learn return in function. Let's run the code. 13 showing because the first parameter 5 and second parameter 8 we have sent, and the function return addition the value first parameter and second parameter and return the result. Okay, we can use more than one time. 54 3 2 53. Run the code. We have to use break for new line. 13, 57 and 55. Okay. Next, how to default value set in a function. (25) the parameter, and here say the default value 20. The result will return 25. If I blank parameter set, then default. Thank you guys for watching this video.